I don't know how's the weather where you live, but in here it's getting colder and all you want is a slice of pizza and a bottle of wine. And today I'm going to show you a pizza from my region, but it's a little bit different from what you've seen, and I'm going to show you guys. The pizza dough in here is a little bit different from what you've seen, and it's fermented for loads of hours, which makes it the best pizza I've ever seen in my region. And today I'm going to take you guys to the kitchen so you can see what they do different and why the pizza is one of the best I know. Today I'm here with Murilo and he's going to tell me which one is the pizza that people ask the most, and he's going to suggest me a flavor of topping.
Boa noite, tudo bem? Hoje, as nossas pizzas, que é o carro-chefe, é a 4 formagens e a calabra. A calabra é feita com uma calabresa artesanal e a 4 formagens ela é com 3 tipos de queijo diferentes. Seria 4 queijos, né? Como nós somos uma pizzaria com pizza tipo italiana, então esses nomes são voltados para a parte italiana.
Now I'm going to thank Murilo for taking us here and for suggesting the flavors. And now we're going to start with some appetizers, which are some very thin pizza dough with cheeses on the top. That's called crostini. And let's go. The crostinis we're ordering today are with Parmesan cheese and lemon pepper. You can also have it with some sauces, which are black olive paste, basil paste, and a sauce that's made from blue cheese. The pizza dough is really crispy and the sauces are also amazing. And has also the caramelization from the wood burning oven, and it's amazing. I think you guys should order it. The lemon zest taste from the lemon pepper is also refreshing and brings loads of flavor.
Se o que aconteceu de errado, veja bem pelo outro lado, é o que faz você agora.
The basil sauce is really refreshing and has loads of flavor from the basil and also the nuts that it's included in the sauce. I did not expect to have this much flavor from the basil, even though it has cream cheese or something like that in it. The blue cheese sauce is really creamy and the taste is strong if you don't like much blue cheese, but if you like it, I think you should order it because the blue cheese flavor is really present. Even though I'm a regular in this restaurant, I have never ordered the crostini, but I'm really glad I did tasted it for this time, because I'm really surprised on how good this is. Think of it as a pizza chip, which is crispy and very flavorful. As I told you, the pizza dough in here is really different from what you may have in other places. It's a long fermentation dough, and they sell it in many sizes. The panocchia, which is the long one, as you may see in the kitchen, and the largest one, which is closer to what you may find in many places around Brazil. As I've been telling you guys, the dough in here is a little bit different. The level of hydration is a little bit higher, which makes the dough crispy on the outside and fluffy on the inside.
Se o que aconteceu de errado, veja bem pelo outro lado, é o que faz você agora. Todas migalhas do passado vão viver tempo.
First, we're going to taste the calabresa flavor, which is a common sausage here in Brazil. I can feel the taste and the smell of fennel seeds, which is very common here in Brazil to use in sausage and pork dishes. And there's red onions, and you can see that the dough is really awesome.
Até o dia que soltarmos que nos foi presenteado esse pássaro na mão.
In general, calabresa sausage in Brazil is really strong and salty, but this one is really mild and very subtle in its flavor. The taste is really amazing. It's really worth the try. Now we're going to taste the 4 cheeses flavor. As you can see, you don't have all cheeses distributed equally in the pizza, which I think is awesome because each bite is different. As you can see, the dough is a little bit thinner, the crust is a little bit thinner, and they do not use a roller or something like that. The technique is a little bit different from what you may expect from a thinner crust pizza. The crust is thin and makes it crunchy. And I really like thinner crust pizza. I think it's lighter and it's one of my favorites. And this bite has loads of catupiry, which is Brazilian creamy cheese. It also has loads of blue cheese, gorgonzola, and a little bit of basil, which brings a little bit of freshness to the dish. Some people here in Brazil use olive oil on the pizza, but some places in Brazil use ketchup. And as I am in São Paulo, you will not find ketchup, which is also considered maybe a crime in my state. I'm so sorry if you are from Rio, but here in São Paulo, you will not find ketchup. It's an amazing flavor. That's why it's one of the most ordered pizzas. Everything was amazing here. I hope you guys enjoyed, and please subscribe and like our video and our channel. See you later.